Hi, Mark here from AJ Hurst. Today we're on site with Axon Power Control to find out a bit more about how they've utilised Schneider Electric's digital load management system, TeSys Island, to provide an intelligent and efficient solution for their client. Let's find out a bit more.
Hello, my name's Jack. I'm the Senior Electrical Automation Engineer here at Axon Power Control. We specialise in control panel design, build, manufacture, as well as complete automation solutions. Schneider offer a wide range of products that we've used continuously for a number of years. Their products are reliable, sustainable and innovative, which help us compete in the marketplace. We're seeing an increase in demand from our customers for an insight into preventative and predictive maintenance, as well as energy monitoring. The TeSys Island offers all of this in one complete package. We've also found that TeSys Island has reduced design time by up to 40% and manufacturing time of the control panels also by up to 40%. Axon's relationship with AJ Hurst, a Schneider Alliance Partner, enabled us to grow the business with our continued support throughout the project life cycles. They continually bring in new innovative products to us which enable us to streamline our manufacturing processes.
Our thanks to Jack and the team at Axon for their valuable insight. So, to summarise, TeSys Island provides a comprehensive solution for motor management, offering flexibility, advanced functionality, ease of use, efficiency and reliability, making it an attractive choice for motor management applications. If you would like to discover more about TeSys Island, please get in touch through the link below.